Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. For today's video reaction, let's travel to our new discovery country, Sweden. Oh my god, how are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And this is the first video reaction that we had to do. We discovered this artist through a friend that they just wanted me to react with this amazing artist from Sweden. And I think this guy is amazing. I think this is a group. And let's get to know, and the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is Bara Badu Bastu, performed by KAJ, and credit also with the owner of the video to Melody Festivalen. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video. And I was so impressed. I think they are, let's get to know first with this guys. And the English translation of the song Bara Badu Basto, just take a sauna. Oh my god, sauna is just like something you can go inside and feel like your sweat will be coming out because it's the heat inside of that sauna. I hope that's a meaning that I wanted to portray with you guys. If there is something meaning of that song or the just take the sauna or the Bara Bada Basto, just put in a comment section. I would to appreciate with that one. And also, let's get to know first with this KAJ. Who is KAJ? Oh my god, I'm so excited with this. KAJ is a Finland Swedish. Oh, two country. Is a Finland Swedish music and comedy group from Vara in Ostrabothnia, Finland, founded in 2009. The group consists of Finland Swedes. Okay. I think some of the member of this group are from Finland, and then the other are from Sweden. Kevin Holmstrom, Axel Hamann, and Jacob Norgård, whose first name initials form the band's name. That's why it's KAJ. KAJ primarily performs in Swedish with lyrics in the Ostrobothnian Swedish dialect, particularly the Vora dialect, which is variety of Ostrobothnian Swedish that has preserved some archaic features of Swedish not typically used in contemporary standards Swedish. Their music spans multiple genres, including rock, rap, K-pop, disco, and schlager, often incorporating humor and satire. That's why they will perform in such like in a funny way or in a like joking way, or so that people can smiles on their faces. The group also has satirical rockability alter ego called Virgins, which parodies youth and car enthusiast subcultures in Ostrobothnia. Oh my god. The members of KJ have known each other since childhood. They played football on the same team, later attended. Oh my god. I think that's why they just connected with each other, because even that your friendship started at that early age, and then you connected, and then you love all of you with same like skills, you love same music, you love same football. This is good. This is nice. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one, and let's get to it guys. Enjoy with the performance of KAJ Basta, the KAJ Bara Bada Basto. Enjoy. You're a superhero.
Melodi nummer 4. Text och musik: Anders Wrethov, Kristoffer Strandberg, Robert Skowronski. Och gruppen själva, Kaj.
Kai! Oh my god. Sorry guys that I pronounce it Kaj. It's Kai in pronunciation. Sorry. Now I know. I was corrected with that one. It's Kai. Because in Philippines, we pronounce it like the letter also.
Nåja! Klockan slår, nu är det dags. All bekymmer försvinner strax. Bästa bot för kropp och själ. 4 väggar i träpanel. Vid din
wow! Bra. Oh my god! I love it. I love the tone of it. The way how he just make it this one in such a nice, like, nice place or nice setup of the stage they're putting. Might be it relates to the song that they just perform. Wow, they are crazy. I love the tone of it.
Tango med Arja Saijonmaa. 1, 2, 3 saunaa. Vi ska vara bastu, ångorna på, släpp all stress idag. Bastubröder är vi som glöder, 100 grader noja. Bara bastu, hejta på så släpp din bara yr. Oh, oh, oh. Bara bastu, jo. Vi ska vara bastu.
Wow, this is crazy. I love it. I had goosebumps. They perform. I love the Swedish, like, tone. I enjoyed it so much, and there is a jolliness. There is something that you really want to dance and perform, and their tone that this giving. Wow, this is fantastic. This is phenomenal performance. Whew, I enjoyed it. Wow, crazy. Whew, this is how you perform. You can really relate that I have fun. I enjoyed. I had smile, everything, their music, and then the one performer having this, what do you call that instrument? This is how you perform. This is how jolly it is. This is nice. Goodness gracious, I love it. I enjoy this performance of them. Ah, it's really sauna.
Helppo vattno med rongono. Tick, tick, tack, hållen gortadu. 90 grader, vi är nästan där. Perkele, Eva på värma jär. Steitin lakkar, ja.
It's really a sauna. It's like, wow, they really connected with the song. They just perform it so nicely, and I really like the tonality, their vocal quality, the tone of the song. It's such so giving. It's phenomenal. It's crazy amazing, and they killed it. They just have the setting of it, it good vibes of the song. Crazy. Salute to these guys. I love this. I love, sorry guys, had to cut it off because I love the way I cannot hold my feeling also because they just perform it. They have this amazing voices in different voices, and they can really dance, and that's truly amazing. I cannot imagine that they grow up together, doing things together. Their talents, they just perform it and connected up until now. I know these guys have in their age, but they just perform it so nicely. And I wish that this guy also perform in a Eurovision because this guy is so talented. I love the song. I love, just put in the comment section guys the meaning of the song because I love the how the tone they're making. It's like so dancey thing. It's so attractive that you really want to perform also and sing with them. And this is crazy amazing artists. Wow, I love them now. Oh my God, I love it. It's like, imagine of the audience dancing together with you because they connected, and that's amazing. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Good job, Kai. That was a phenomenal, fantastic performance. You killed it. You nailed it. The audience dancing with you, and that's a very brilliant and genius song and performance. The three of you make it a music that is lovable and enjoyable to listen and to watch. You are a great performer and a band in your country, and I know a lot of people from different part of the world watches your video, and your music might be they will fall in love and support with you. Oh my god, I enjoyed watching with this one, guys. I have my heart is full discovering, and this is just our first video reaction, but I enjoyed it so much. I love this guy so much. I hope you enjoyed watching with this one too, and please do watch the full video since I did some few cuts of it, because some of my videos will be black and not be like posted on YouTube. Yeah, I enjoyed it so much, and I hope you enjoyed it too. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Swedish artist or any Kai performances, put in the comment section. I love to read and respond with you all. Thank you so much, and please do consider share, like, shares, and subscribes also with my channel, John Riz React. God bless everyone. Bye bye, and see you on my next video reaction.